Dramatic developments. Creating compelling characters in screenwriting. Hello and welcome, fellow wordsmiths. In today's session, we're diving into the heart of drama and screenwriting, focusing on a critical element: character development. Great characters are the lifeblood of any story, and crafting them well can make the difference between an ordinary script and an extraordinary one. Character development is the process through which a character changes, grows, or evolves throughout a narrative. Good character development can make a character more relatable, more intriguing, and can keep your audience engaged. In screenwriting, character development often happens through dialogue. What a character says can tell us a lot about their personality and emotions. Actions. What a character does can reveal their motivations, desires, and values. Relationships. How a character interacts with others can shed light on their nature and behavior. A character arc represents the transformation or inner journey of a character over the course of a story. Character arcs are crucial because they make characters more complex and dynamic. There are three main types of character arcs. The change arc. The character fundamentally changes from beginning to end. The growth arc. The character improves or develops, while staying essentially the same person. The fall arc. The character ends up in a worse state, often due to a tragic flaw or mistake. To breathe life into your characters, make them multidimensional. This means they should have strengths and weaknesses, goals and motivations, unique voices and behaviors, backstories and personal histories. Avoid creating purely good or evil characters. Instead, aim for characters who are a mix of both, as they are more realistic and intriguing. One of the cardinal rules of writing is show, don't tell. Instead of telling your audience that a character is kind, show them performing a kind act. This principle allows audiences to deduce a character's nature from their actions and dialogue, making the viewing experience more engaging and immersive. Character development is an art. It involves creating intricate, compelling personalities that can captivate an audience and drive your narrative forward. Remember, your characters are the heart and soul of your script, so take the time to craft them carefully. I hope this video has helped you understand the importance of character development in drama and screenwriting. Keep writing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep creating unforgettable characters. Happy writing!